girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my top knot bun. Okay, and let's just jump right into it. You will need some gel. I'm using this Eco Styler gel. You will need you some product. I'm using Can 2, the Daily Oil Moisturizer. You will need you a regular brush. It don't matter what type of brush, just a brush. And maybe a paddle brush if you need it. And your almighty edges brush. Starting off with the water, okay? Spray it everywhere. It don't have to be like drenched, but it needs to be damp at least. You apply your product. I will have this iCard up here. Y'all know what I realized? Like, the iCards, they only work if you're watching the video on an account. So if you're not watching this video on an account, I think you should just sign in real quick and just hit that subscribe button, because why not? I mean, that seems like the best thing to do right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is just brush it upward so it can kind of like get the shape, and then I'm gonna apply the gel, and yeah, just brush it up. And the paddle brush is only so it can be smooth in the back. Cause it's smooth right now, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, you want that extra smoothness, then use the paddle brush. Y'all see that slick? That is slick. Girl, give me props for that. Parched. I'm so parched right now. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just needed something. It was so very parched. But like I was doing before, now you can see the little waves going on. For the smoothness. And with the paddle brush, you don't want to go all the way through your hair. You just want to go like halfway and then take it out. I'm going to put more gel throughout all my hair so I can go ahead and put it in the high ponytail so I can bun it up. And to be honest with y'all, I don't even wear this hairstyle. I only know how to do it because of Instagram. If it wasn't for Instagram, I would not know how to do this. Because of the hair videos that come up on my Explore page, and when I'm bored I just watch them. Take the big ponytail holder and tie up your ponytail. And the only reason why I use the big hair tie is because I feel like I get a better grip than using the smaller ones. I think that's good. Yeah. I just feel like I have a better grip. So here's for the bum part. You want to get your little ponytail holder and do that thing like that, and then take it and put it kind of towards the end, and then just work your way up. Kind of like the little banding method for stretching your hair. Your hair gonna look like this at first. You're gonna look crazy, but trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it. Because in the end, the results are phenomenal. And also you're gonna need another ponytail holder. Just for the end after you, like, you just want to twist it around. So after you twist it, if you don't have any bobby pins, then you can use a ponytail holder as your bobby pin. Twist and tuck and tie. Twist, tuck, and tie. Now you want to get your brush and bring down those little edges. Alright, so honestly that did take me a little time to do because they wasn't laying down. I don't do too much with them because I don't know how to do all that and I don't have time for that. So this is the final product. This is how it's looking. All the products I use will be linked in the description box below. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Because why not? But thanks for watching.